Hey guys, it's Cole from Lads and Cole. If you're new, welcome to the channel. Don't forget to subscribe and join the family. I hope you'll enjoy this content. These braids are so beautiful. I'm gonna show you, don't worry, later on how it looks like down. But I just kind of was feeling the vibe, so I had to come through with this and the head wrap and all that. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do these individually from the prep all the way down to the end. The only thing I didn't show you is how I sealed the end, and the only thing I did really is dip them into hot water, and that's it. That is it. I'll show you how the ends look. You know, I like it to look like this. It's very effortless and bohemian like. But girl, let me know if you guys will try it out, if this was easy enough. I really wanted to make it easy for you guys, show you how simple and quick you can achieve this. And let's just jump right into the video. So we're starting off with clean stretched hair. I'm going to use my fingers to separate the sections, and then I use a white tooth comb to clean it up. Make sure you take your time to detangle the hair, because I have 4C hair and it gets matted like crazy. So you guys take your time, because it's just going to be a nightmare if you don't do this at the beginning. Now, to keep our hair moisturized and show it some love while it's under your braids, you want to make sure that you use a moisturizer and seal it with oil. So I just used Auntie Jackie's whipping cream as well as their oil. To separate the sections, I go ahead and do a quick twist out. Now I created 26 different sections, meaning I will have 26 braids in total in my head. And for each pack, I divided the hair in two, some of them in three, depending on how big it was. But I used 10 packs in total, and there's 26 braids in here. Okay, you guys, we are finally done with the hair prep. That took about an hour and a half. So I'm showing you the brand of hair that I use. It's 100% kanekalon hair. And these packs were $1.99 each. This whole look cost about $25. So we don't want our braids to have that super blunt look at the bottom. You want to feather it at the bottom by pulling the hair on each side. So I'm going to do my best to explain this. So once you have your section, you want to divide that into two different equal sections. So you fold them over one another, and then you separate that into three sections. Now the section in the middle is what you're going to put against your own hair. So that's why it's easy for you to have section, because it's clear for you to see. And you're just going to blend your own hair with the mesh or with the braiding hair, and begin braiding just like you would your own natural hair. And that's it. So again, we have our section. We are going to divide it into 2 equal sections. We're going to fold them on top of one another, create 3 sections, and put the middle section against your own natural hair and begin braiding. Yay, we're finally done. So we're just gonna add some accessory because we are extra, and that's, a little bit of bedazzle for our hair. So I used the string that I got from my local beauty supply. It was $1, I believe. And I also used some hair jewelries and put it against some of the braids. And that's it, you guys. You got yourself a look. It's perfect for summer. Let me know if you learned a thing or two, and if you like this tutorial, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and also give me other suggestions on videos you guys want to see. I'll be more than happy to do so, and I'll catch you guys on my next one.